XRP falls 8% below $3 after hitting resistance. High-volume sell-off signals weakness. Momentum indicators remain skewed bearish, though recovering volume profiles suggest some exhaustion in the sell-off. XRP declined 8% over the past 24 hours, falling from a session high of $3.17 to a low of $2.94, as intense sell pressure overwhelmed initial strength. The sharpest drop occurred during the midnight trading window on August 1st, when XRP fell 2.7% in a single hour, accompanied by 259.21 million units in volume, nearly 4x its 24-hour average. Despite the downtrend, accumulation signals surfaced during the recovery phase, as XRP rebounded to $2.98. Volume diminished after the initial volatility, suggesting that institutional buyers stepped in to absorb excess supply near key support zones. Whale activity surrounding XRP continues to deliver mixed signals. On one hand, large holders have liquidated roughly $28 million worth of XRP daily over a trailing 90-day period, according to on-chain data. This trend highlights persistent distribution among institutional and early holders. At the same time, over 310 million XRP tokens, valued at nearly $1 billion, have been accumulated during the recent correction phase, as exchange balances fell sharply, signaling sustained capital inflow. Adding to the crosscurrents, Maxwell Stein, director of digital assets at BlackRock, confirmed participation at Ripple's Swell 2025 conference, hinting at growing institutional alignment despite recent price pressure. A high, $3.17, 10 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated, July 31st, low, $2.94, midnight UTC, August 1st, 24H change, -8%, hourly low point, $3.02, $2.94, midnight drop, volume surge, 259.21 M units during correction versus 64.89 M average, closing price, $2.98, marginal recovery into session close. XRP's closing price near $2.98 represents a minor recovery off session lows, but still signals broader structural weakness. Short-term sentiment remains fragile amid liquidation flows and technical breakdowns below the $3 threshold. The $2.94 support zone held firm during multiple intraday tests, reinforced by aggressive dip buying that allowed prices to reclaim $2.98 by session end. Resistance remains overhead at $3.02 to $3.05, with continued rejection likely unless spot inflows pick up. Momentum indicators remain skewed bearish, though recovering volume profiles suggest some exhaustion in the sell-off. To whether $2.94 to $2.95 holds as structural support in the near term is signs of renewed whale accumulation or a pause in distribution trends, BlackRock's positioning ahead of Ripple Swell 2025, and its implications for future XRP ETF-related narratives. Reaction at the $3 to $3.05 resistance band, which previously marked key distribution levels. Shaurya is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure, and protocol analysis. Shaurya holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, YFI, YFII, SHIB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, Mana, MLN, Link, XMR, ALGO, VET, Cake, AAVE, Comp, Rook, TRX, SNX, Rune, FTM, ZIL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GHST, PERP, BTRFLY, OHM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun.